How does time management help with reading and language learning? Have you ever wondered how managing your time can make a difference in your reading skills while learning a new language? Let's break it down together. Time management is essential for language learners, especially when it comes to reading. By organizing study sessions, learners can boost their focus and retention. When you set aside specific blocks of time for reading, you help your brain stay engaged without feeling overwhelmed. This leads to better comprehension and speed. Research suggests that short, focused reading sessions of about 20 to 25 minutes align with how long our brains can concentrate effectively. This approach helps you absorb vocabulary and grammar more efficiently. When you avoid long, tiring sessions, you keep your mind fresh and ready to take in new information. Creating a regular reading schedule can turn reading into a daily habit. This consistency helps reduce procrastination and ensures that you are making steady progress, even on busy days. You can also mix reading with other language activities during less demanding moments, like while commuting or waiting in line. This way, you increase your exposure to the language without needing extra time. Breaking longer reading tasks into smaller sections with breaks in between is another effective strategy. This prevents mental fatigue and allows your brain to process what you have read. Taking a moment to reflect on the material can improve both your reading speed and comprehension. Moreover, good time management allows you to review what you have read regularly. This practice reinforces your memory and helps transfer knowledge from short-term to long-term memory. Regular review is vital for retaining language skills and developing fluency. In summary, managing your time well can help you in several ways. It allows you to allocate focused reading sessions that match your attention span. It helps build reading into your daily routine, making practice consistent. Short breaks can prevent fatigue and improve retention. You can also incorporate reading during low-effort times to maximize exposure. Lastly, scheduling regular reviews strengthens your memory and comprehension. By implementing these strategies, you can create a balanced reading routine that improves both your speed and understanding. This makes learning a new language more effective and enjoyable.